Hello guys, this is Ivan. It is Monday, new week started. We'll go through some of my systems, some EAs and some indicators. Here you can see both Expert Advisor and Indicator V24 Plus, which is one of top 3 systems. Either you like to trade with indicator only, or if you don't like to trade manually, then you have a trader or expert advisor. You see here some results. You see this is all winning trades. The rules, guys, you know, very easy. I will explain one more time. So I don't know, let's start with sell trade. You trade only with small arrows, red arrows, and when you get small arrow, you need to check two things, to confirm two things. First of all, the price must be under this support zone, and you must have this big red arrow which shows you that the trend is going down. Plus, very important, to be confirmed here, it must be red, and guys, at the open of the next candle you open the trade. In the same trend direction you can trade many times if you want. Red, then if you exit here, you can exit at latest at the opposite arrow, or when this is going up to blue. So in this case we have two options: trade one time, second time, third time, fourth time in the same direction, or maybe we can take a trade, keep it until this situation here, because here we have a blue. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trade in one trend direction. If you don't want to wait, guys, for these conditions, then you use a trader. Trader will automatically take all the trades in the right time. Software will not make mistake. Then one fantastic trade: buy, big, small, and 800 pips, or at latest you will exit here at the opposite arrow. Then you wait another one, then again change of trend, one trade, two trades, 3, 4, and this is still actual. Still actual because arrow is going down. We are in the right direction under the zone, red zone. This is red, so you can keep it until you get opposite arrow, or this going blue like here. So you have many such situations. You can trade cryptos, you can trade Apple or stocks, gold, anything, guys, you like to trade. It is highly accurate. You see, we are now in live trading gold, still in action. I explained the rules one more time because some of you haven't watched previous videos, and I have minimum 20 videos about V20 or V24. The rules are same, in which I am explaining the rules. So this is famous MS16 trader based on my strategy in a live trade. This is FX Turbo Circle in 5000 gold silver trade. You see, you trade with circles, but only if you have a red zone. Then under the zone you can use for sell, and over this zone you can use it for buy. Very simple. This is Omega Turbo Trader, you know already. This is FX Turbo Circle, this is indicator. So this is also FX Turbo Circle, this is Omega indicator and Omega Trader. You can buy either indicator, either trader, either you can buy both. Why I am telling it to you now? Because today, Monday, I am giving you, due to we have let's say Independence Day today in Croatia, very important holidays, bank holidays, when we get independency 34 years ago. So this is what I am giving you. So you can choose any expert advisor like this or only indicator. Remove this trader, guys, and you will have only indicator, but you can get both. So my promo is any expert advisor. So you choose 1 EA plus any expert advisor, any indicator, plus 5 licenses. So you can use it on 5 MT4 account numbers, not 2. It is on my web page. You will get, if you pay regularly, you will get only, guys, 2 licenses, MT4 accounts. Sorry for my writing. And both any expert advisor, any indicator, only today is 129 euros for both. So this is valid not only for this Omega Turbo. For example, you can buy Omega Turbo Trader plus indicator, both for 129. Let's, guys, check, for example, what you are getting with this 129. If you buy separately here on my web page, you will pay only for Omega Turbo Trader 289 and plus indicator 199. So you will pay 490 euros, and you know how much you save with my price. Also, I don't know, maybe you would like to have V20 indicator and V20 plus trader both on the same page. It's up to you. All for 129. Or maybe you would like to have, I don't know, trendy trader. Trendy trader is here. You see both indicator and expert advisor. You know what is the price. Trendy indicator 189 and the expert advisor is 389. So you see, you save several hundred euros, almost 80–90% of price. This is my new strategy here in action. Also, you can choose one expert advisor and my strategy for 129, or one indicator and plus my strategy for 129. So today we have this promo. I'm giving you again special possibility if you want to use to save for the best systems on market. Whatever I have shown you, it is proven from this you see $600 here. I will recommend you very good system. It is FX Turbo Circle for manual trading. This is a strategy. You see just one trade, how much we have make. You see here if we have been traded, what we could do. So today, guys, 129, 1 EA plus 1 indicator, or my strategy, plus 5 licenses. Have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.